Hello guys, today I'll be opening 2020 to 21 Panini Chronicles. So this has 5 cards per pack, 20 packs per box, so that is a total of 100 cards. So over here in this box we want some LaMelo Ball RC cards and Anthony Edwards RC cards and lots more. So we want those rookie cornerstones, rookie autographs. Those would be very good to get. So let's open it up. So here are the packs, out of packs. So back in there. Here are all the packs. So let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Should be 10 too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So total of 20 packs. So let's get started. First pack. First card, Onyeka Okongwu. Tyrese Maxey base, nice one. Kyrie Irving. This is a teal Devin Booker. And a Luka Doncic, nice one. And then next pack, second pack. First we have Denny Avdia, Donovan Mitchell, Jeremy Grant, a Sadiq Bey teal, nice one, and a Halliburton XR, nice one, nice Halliburton. Third pack, our box. Want those autos. Here is a Poku, nice one. Jamal Murray, a Damian Lillard, and a nice Poku teal, and Ben Simmons. Alright, next. You have a Denny, Killian Hayes, base threads of Desmond Bane, and teal Patrick Williams, nice one, XR, and a Ja, nice one. So we haven't gotten any LaMelo and Edward yet, so hopefully we can get a lot of those. We have Kevin Durant, Luminance, Luka Doncic, Chronicles, Nico Mannion, Legacy, Peyton Pritchard, Hometown Heroes, and Theo Maledon, Marquee. Next pack. We have Aaron Nesmith, Luka, Luminance, base LeBron, nice one, Anthony Davis Steele, and an Isaac Okoro XR. Nice one. Anthony Edwards, our first one, Playbook. Chef Curry, Panini base. RJ Hampton, Prestige. Next is a teal, Zion Williamson. Nice one. And another Aaron Nesmith. So I'd say we're about halfway. You want more LaMelo and Edwards, of course. Or as I say that, we get a LaMelo. Nice one. Playbook as well. Sadiq Bey, Threads. One of the better rookies in this class as well. Nice one. And Legacy, Steph Curry. And this is a nice one. Crusade, Tyrese Maxey, and Desmond Bane. So that was a good pack. A lot of good players. We have Emmanuel Quickly, Luminance. Rudy Gobert, who was traded to the Timberwolves. Nice one. Speaking of the Timberwolves, Ant-Man. And teal, Isaac Okoro. And Moses Brown Marquee. So I'd say we're about halfway. Peyton Pritchard, Panini base. This is the Donruss update. Moses Brown. Then a Ja Morant, Chronicles base. a teal, Cole Anthony, and a marquee, Tyrese Maxey. Nice one. Obi Toppin, Playbook, another Ant-Man. This is the Panini base right now. So, SGA base. A Devin Vassell. This is the teal. And a Tyrese Maxey. This is also the teal. This is the essentials. You have a Patrick Williams, Panini base. Desmond Bain, nice one. A LeBron James, Legacy, nice one. Oh, we have an Isaac Okoro, Honors, nice one. And a James Wiseman. That is the XR. So we're still hoping for one of those rookie cornerstones. So we have James Wiseman, Panini base. Tyrese Maxey. A LaMelo Ball Legacy, nice one. A Devin Booker Phoenix. And a Desmond Bain marquee. So that's a nice pack. Facundo Campazzo, this is Luminance. LeBron, Playbook. Sabonis, Chronicles. Ooh, a nice, a teal LeBron. Prestige. And an RJ Hampton Essentials. So, we've probably got around 6 packs left, 6 packs. We have a Theo Maledon. Cole Anthony. This is the Playbook. Brandon Ingram. A Luka. That is a teal. Nice one. And a Tyrese Maxey RC card. This is the XR. Ooh, another LaMelo. This is the Panini base now. Damian Lillard Threads. Trae Young Chronicles. A Precious Achiuwa. This is the teal. This is the Panini base. And a Carlos Jr. We have a Tyrese Maxey. This is the Panini base. Carlos Jr. Next is a Isaac Okoro. And a Saben Lee. Teal. A Steph Curry XR base. Next one. We have a Jae'Sean Tate. Pascal Siakam. Onyeka Okongwu Legacy. This is a Phoenix, Sadiq Bey. Nice one. And an Aaron Nesmith Essentials. Malachi Flynn, Panini base. A Luka Doncic Threads. Nice one. This is Kyrie Irving Chronicles. Ooh, James Wiseman. This is the teal. And an Anthony Edwards Essentials. Nice one. So hoping, I think, can we get a... Nope, we don't have rookie cornerstones. So, Saben Lee, Luminance. Zion Williamson. This is the Playbook. Onyeka Okongwu. Let's save our teal for the last. A Facundo Campazzo, marquee. And our last teal is Obi Toppin. Not bad. So, I will do a recap of all our hits. So, let's do this. So, we got a lot of good hits actually. So, got some nice, this is not bad box. Legacy, LaMelo Ball, Desmond Bain, Marquee, RC, Tyrese Maxey, Isaac Okoro, Precious Achua Teal, Cole Anthony, LaMelo Ball, Tyrese Maxey, Luka Doncic Teal, Anthony Davis Teal, Isaac Okoro XR, Sadiq Bey Teal, Stephen Curry Base, Zion Williamson Teal, Sadiq Bey Base, Anthony Edwards, Stephen Curry Legacy, Desmond Bain Essentials, A Crusade, Tyrese Maxey, LaMelo Ball Playbook, Luka Doncic, a Playbook, Anthony Edwards, Threads, this is Desmond Bain, a Teal, Patrick Williams, Ja Morant Essentials, Alexei Pokusevsky, this is the Teal Dominance, and a Tyrese Halliburton, that is the XR. Then we have some more hits here. LeBron James Legacy, James Wiseman, this is XR. We have a Panini base, James Wiseman, Isaac Okoro Teal, Luka Doncic Threads, James Wiseman Teal, Isaac Okoro Honors, Phoenix Sadiq Bey, Phoenix Devin Booker, LeBron James Playbook, LeBron James Chronicles, LeBron James Teal, that's Prestige, and we have Anthony Edwards Panini, Anthony Edwards Essentials, Tyrese Maxey Luminance, Essentials Luka Doncic, and we have Tyrese Maxey Marquee, Cole Anthony Teal, Devin Vassell Teal, Tyrese Maxey, this is the Essentials, Obi Toppin Teal, and the Desmond Bain base. So it wasn't a bad box. We had a lot of good hits. So if you guys want to watch more of my videos, you guys can check out my channel. You guys can subscribe, like this video. You can also check out my Instagram, which is Card Niffler. You guys can just search it up. I will also put a link in the description. Bye.